Forget about Game Loop, uninstall BlueStacks and any other emulators you know. Because now, you can play Android games on PC natively. I'll tell you how, so don't miss any part of this video. I used to play a lot of Android games, but due to multiple reasons like having small screen or incompatible device specs, or sometimes my eye might hurt playing long time. But now I no longer have to endure it, because Google Play is now available on PC. This is directly provided by Google themselves and allows you to play your Android games with a mouse and keyboard, or even a controller. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Google Play PC Beta. While most modern-day PCs should be able to run the program easily, make sure to check the minimum requirements to run it on your PC. Once you've confirmed that your PC meets these requirements, you can head over to the Google Play link in the description and download the beta client. The installation process is straightforward and it should take only a few minutes. Once the client is installed, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to browse the Google Play Store and install Android games on your PC. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.